Cleaning is super easy. Remember, always unplug first. Use a soft cloth with warm, soapy water to wipe the interior. Don't forget the door seal. See this little hole in the inside? That's the internal drain. If you see water during defrosting, it flows through here. Just make sure this drain hole isn't clogged. The water drains to a pan on top of the compressor. If you need to clean the drip pan, you can access it from the back. See this black tray? That's the drip pan. Gently remove it, rinse with warm water, and make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. Reattach it, plug your fridge back in, and you're good to go. Keep it clean, keep your drinks fresh. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit Euhomy.com and connect with us anytime.